Hello, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about some of the coolest furniture on all of Amazon. You guys, this is one of my favorite pieces. It is a mid-century modern cubed wood bookcase. I love this piece because it is so attractive. I love the offset cubes. It's just a little funky, a little modern. It's really open. It gives that organic, natural feel. The feet on the bottom are kind of off kilter like this, and it's just a great touch that elevates everything. This is like one of my favorite types of furniture because not only is it beautiful, but it's also super functional. There are so many different things that you could use it for. Of course, a bookshelf, so you could use it to keep your books, but also the open design is just great for displaying your knickknacks, your pottery, whatever it might be that you want to, plants, whatever you want to put in there. And kind of show off. It's going to be something that just adds beautiful decor and something that's interesting to look at in your home. I heard a lot of people in the comments saying that they have used this to keep their record collection, and I think that is an awesome thing to display, and it's just going to look really, really cool, especially with the mid-century modern feel of this. One thing to note about this is that the veneer is actual wood. It's not just a wood printed pattern. So for the price, you guys, that is really cool, and it's going to just elevate this and make it look a lot more expensive than it is. So that's just really, really cool to note. Was surprised and impressed by that. Also, it's really easy to put together. It comes together really fast, and the only thing you need is a screwdriver. So go ahead and put this one in your cart. Check out all of Modway's other pieces of furniture because they have several that are going to look so good with this bookshelf. Go ahead and update your home. You're gonna love these pieces, and they're gonna last for a really long time. So go ahead and put them in your cart. You're gonna be really happy you did.